Hey guys, and welcome to another decorating video. So today we are finally starting on the living room. So we did actually have furniture in here to begin with. I'm going to put this one down. We did actually have furniture in here to begin with, but I sold it all and Jack was like, what are you doing? So I basically wanted to get a new sofa and I mentioned it in my stories, and then one of my friends messaged me like, oh, if you're getting rid of it then like I'll have it. And then one of my other friends wanted my coffee table and I was like, do you know what? Get rid of it all because I don't want it, and like I don't want to like end up when I get a new sofa being stuck with an old sofa I can't get rid of, so it's better when someone wants it to get rid of it. We're not doing a ton in this room because we like the floor, which is like the main thing, and the features and everything. So we're literally just going to paint the walls white, take these like screws out and polyfiller. I kind of want to get rid of those blinds. I think they're nice and they fit, but it's just quite dark in this room and I feel like maybe they would not help with the darkness. We've got our sofa was delivered yesterday, we're not going to put it up until we've painted because it just doesn't make sense. It's like 19 pieces, so that will be fun in this vlog to show you putting it up. Apparently there's YouTube videos to help. Also going to get rid of these, I think, these coffee tables, because I just feel like it's very Oliver Bonus vibe, and like the vibe that I'm going for is more kind of like neutral, natural, bright and white and clean, and kind of like just really nice and like clean and bright and white basically. So I've got a big white corner sofa that's going to go there. I want to get a jute rug and either a stone or wooden coffee table, and then a big round mirror there. We've actually just sold our old washer dryer from when we lived in Stamford before. We've like been storing it for that long, and we've just sold it to Jack's brother, so I think that we might use the money. We want to buy something for the house of it, and I've just realised it's the same price as the big round mirror for there, so I think we might get that. Hopefully. I haven't actually spoken to Jack about it, so we'll see. So the living room is looking really good now. It's just getting a bit dark, so I've got the light on, but it's a really rubbish light. I hate that light actually too. So I've just cleaned the floor. I've just been on my hands and knees scrubbing all the paint off it because it looks like paint flecks. And Jack's been painting the white walls white. It looks a lot brighter and lighter. We were going to put the blinds up, but I'm going to ask Jack when he gets home if we can not, because I was looking for this and I know myself I put it up there. Why did I forget? Anyway, yeah, so I actually think it looks nice without the black blinds, and maybe just get some light airy curtains. So I've just got back from having a Chinese and Jack started putting the sofa up without me. It's like 11 o'clock at night and he's determined to get it done, and I'm now going to bed because I can't deal with this. So he's kind of ruined my time lapse for you guys. Woo! We have lift off. We have sofa. It actually fits in the room so perfectly because it comes, we wanted one that was a bit longer, but actually this is perfect because it fits right up to that wall. And then we can put a chair here, like maybe angled in, or two chairs here, but I think a chair there will be cool. There's one that I really want that I think I can order now. Can I order the Zara chair now?
What do you want? Penny, new sofa.
That's what I like to hear.
Jump up. Yay.
Woo! What do you think to the new sofa, Penny? What do you think to the new sofa? Do you love it? Just wanted to show you guys the progress this light is doing. I don't know why it's on, it doesn't need to be on. So we've just got this mirror has been arrived from Zara Home. There's one on next that's slightly smaller that we were gonna get, but we chose to go this one because it's slightly bigger and it's got a really thin, really thin edge. And it just fits that space perfectly, and need to clear that next. Do my little puzzle because I'm a loser. I've ordered a new lampshade which is coming on its way hopefully soon. It's from Lara Jute though, and they do take a while to ship things, but it's like linen-y, so I can't wait to have that. I've got a next rug coming, and I'm also going to pick up a table, travertine table. I'm obsessed with travertine, and that's going to be here. I'm picking that up tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So we've just collected the table. It took 4 hours to go and get it. Got it from the eBay. It was £35 on an auction, and I always miss out on auctions. So I messaged them and asked if they'd do a buy it now, and they said yes. And I couldn't believe it. I got it for £50. Just drove to collect it from, it was in Evesham actually. So it took me 4 hours there and back, but it was totally worth it. I think it looks perfect. Can't wait now, show you in the daylight. So, oh, I've just put this vase out, which I think looks so nice. So that is staying there. It's getting a bit dark now. I should have done this earlier, but I've just got some parcels. So, not that one, that's Amazon. This chair, which I ordered, which I've wanted for ages. So I thought we could put it out together. I mean, done. You just watched me do it. It looks amazing. Obviously, when the cardboard's gone, and someone's here to see me and Penny, but mainly Penny. It looks so good. I'm so happy. Obviously, need to get rid of Penny's toy box. Eventually, we'll get a new radiator. I want to change a lamp too, but yes. So this is my DESENIO. So now the chair's up. I thought I could get my things out, and then hopefully I can get Jack to put them up tonight. So these are the prints that we decided to get. So I wanted to go more for the art rather than the photos, because in the past you can see some of my old ones there. They're like LA prints and stuff, and I just wanted to go for a more kind of grown-up vibe. So I've got some art that, so I don't know if they're art illustrations, but they're quite minimal, but they'll just add a bit of colour to the room, which I think will be really nice. And we've got 4 that are the same, as you can see. So they'll look really nice all together. And then we also got just some plain black frames. I did actually want a thinner frame, but they only had a frame this width. But I do actually think, because of the white border, this thick frame will actually look really nice to tie in the print. So I'm going to put those all together now. So as you can see, it fits perfectly, and Lauren's just said that she has got mounts and she thinks that maybe it would look nicer in a bigger frame with the mounts. So I'm going to see what it looks like. The only thing I'm concerned about is that I think that the size, I think that size is perfect.
I would actually consider the pine frames too, and the mount.
See, I like the black. She has got pine frames and mounts, so she thinks I need pine frames and mounts.
Everything's light in this room. I just think.
Yeah, I know, but I think it adds.
Really expensive. That's why I think you should get the mount.
I think it will add add a bit of colour and stuff, because it is quite plain. So that's what it will look like from a distance, as modelled by Lauren. I just don't think there's much room to have bigger ones, but I know what you're saying. So I'm really undecided now. I really was happy with my decision, but Lauren's throwing a spanner in the works. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave that one there, and then I'm going to continue this when Jack gets home. Ta-da! So they're all framed now, one over there between me and Lauren's mess. And then these 3, and then I'm going to get Jack to put them up tonight. So I will see you later. Hey guys, really quickly, I'm just editing the video now, and I just realised that I completely forgot to tell you that there's a 30% off discount code. So it's only lasting from today, the 3rd of December, until the 5th of December, so it's very short. So it is 30% off, and the code is Sinead30. I'll write it here, and it includes everything apart from the hand-picked and personalised prints and the frames. So it includes the ones that I've got and loads more. So if you're looking to update with space, or even Christmas is coming up, they make really good Christmas gifts if someone's got a new home, or just you see a print that you think is like perfect for them. So yeah, just thought I'd add that in, and then the video will continue now. So Jack's just done all of his measurements to make sure that they're all even, and the distances and stuff, and now he's just putting the holes in, ready. And let's see if it fits. The trick is to make sure the screw is hanging out enough. We had this with the mirror. We weren't sure how long, how far. we're not DIYers normally, because when you rent you can't DIY, so we're newbies.
Okay, that's that level. Is that in? Yeah.
Come back and admire your handiwork.
Level.
Hey guys, so I'm just in my dressing gown because it's raining, so I'm having a cup of tea in my dressing gown to make myself feel better. So we have basically finished the living room now, so I thought I'd show you it. It's a bit dark, so I've got the light on, but I prefer this light to that light. We're still waiting for the lampshade. We're still going to do something with the curtains, and I want to put a mirror there, and there's a few more things, like I want to do these shelves, which are kind of part of the living room, but we have the wedding next week, so I don't think anything else is going to get done now until December. So I thought I'd end this video and show you kind of like, this is like the main things are all done, it's just a little bits and pieces, so I'll definitely do home updates. So just thought I'd show you the room and take you through things. So let me stand as far back. We've got all of this cardboard that I need to get rid of from the chair and stuff. So this is the room minus the Hoover. I'm so happy with it. So let me run through everything. So we've got the sofa, which is from IKEA. I will link everything in the video in the description below. Got the coffee table, which is travertine and from eBay. So I'll link some from eBay, and I'll also link, you can buy some from retailers, but they do start at around £1,000, so at least. So yeah, it's quite good to look on places like Etsy and eBay and Vinteria. Then we have this vase, which is an old H&M one, but they might have one similar online. I'll find similar to anything old. We have my DESENIO prints, which I'm so happy with. Jack's done them perfectly. I love the way they are. They really look like add colour to the living room, and I love the way they are in that living room. And that, I think it was £80 for all 4 prints and the frames, which I think is really good. And then we have the chair, which is from Zara. It's a replica of the ones that I really love, but they are £14,000. And I think it pulls in the black from there, and it just adds something. And this lamp looks really nice over it, but I do want to get a different lamp. But I like the idea of a lamp over it. And I want to change the radiator too, because I don't like that. The rug is from Next, and that was actually only £60. And they've got it in all different sizes, but I think this one fills the space perfectly. This basket I actually got for the wedding, which I will use it for the wedding, but it will go back there because I think it looks really nice. That's from TK Maxx. And then it let me spin you around. I also want to change things like this too, like I do not like those. And then we have the mirror, which is from Zara Home again. I love Zara Home. Then I've just got a couple of candles here. This one's my favourite, Santal 26. And this was a gift from the Whitsundays, I think. So yeah, this is my living room. What do you guys think? I would love to hear if any of you have any good shops that you think I can get some really nice curtains from, or anything that I've said that I'm looking for, like a nice lamp, or any inspiration or blogs and stuff. I would love to hear. I hope that you guys like my living room. I'll definitely be doing these for every room that we do up. We've got some floor being laid in the week on Monday, so more to come soon. And let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Say bye, Penny. Say bye. Are you gonna say bye? Oh, she's got a smushy, sleepy face. Oh, my princess.